Hello everyone, this is Yemaya. I'd like to share how I experienced with Unity Qigong. So far I have learned it for like a few days. The first time when I tried it, one Kat, our teacher, we're going to share it with us. When I was joining the online class, immediately at that moment I felt, wow, it was just amazing experience that I ever experienced. That's so effective in such a short time. Immediately I felt my whole body immediately felt warmed up, and I was able to be in the very present moment. Because the Unity Qigong is now silent. It was the lyrics or the words. So your mind has to be trained. It has to be concentrated on what you're saying at the moment. So I felt my mind is very focused, very concentrated at that very moment, and it is corresponding with my movement and my breath. So together it created harmony. So after a few minutes, after I practiced for like once or twice, I could feel that I'm calmer, I'm in a moment, and my breath is much smoother, and I can be more aware of and remember in to breathe. And also, I feel in a very short time, my body started to become very hot, and it started to sweat a little bit because usually my lower body is quite cold. Actually, my belly is cold because I sit too long without moving for a long time, and so I think it happens with office people all the time. So my lower body usually is very cold. It doesn't feel generating a lot of energy for my daily life. But after a few minutes of practicing Unity Qigong, I I literally feeling I'm sweating, and I'm at a very present moment. My body is more relaxed, and at the same time, I generated a lot of chi around me. I feel powerful and grounded and purified just with these very simple movements. So I definitely recommend this to many people. That's why I spend the time and I even make a video to show myself to say this, because it's from the bottom of my heart, and I'm going to practice it continuously, daily, morning and night before I go to sleep. And I totally recommend to more people to practice it. So thank you, Kat,